Hey everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create or modify a menu with SkyPilot theme. So let's get started. I have a blank WordPress dashboard. I don't have any theme here. I only have the LifterLMS plugin. You can see here I have LifterLMS plugin. I have used the Infinity bundle for this tutorial. So now if I visit my website, you can see that it's totally blank. Here I have the default content. I don't have any theme. So first I have to install the SkyPilot theme for this tutorial. For that we have to visit LifterLMS and add-ons and more. So here is the SkyPilot theme. We have to click on install, then apply. Now we have to click on activate and then again apply. So SkyPilot is successfully installed. Now if I refresh my website, here you can see it's looking different because now we have the SkyPilot theme. Here is the default blog. So now I have to add pages because I want to add menu on my website. For menu, first I have to create pages. So I need 3 pages. So I'm visiting pages and add new. So I will create home, courses and membership pages. So first I will create the home page. So I have to type for home. Then I have to publish this. Then publish. Now I have to click on add new page because I want another page that will be my courses page. So I'm typing for courses. So publish, then publish. Now I need the membership page. So I only need these 3 pages. You can add the pages as per your requirements. So I'm typing for membership, then publish and publish. Now if I visit my website and refresh it, so here is all of the pages I have. So now the thing is we have to connect this course and memberships page to our course and membership catalog on LifterLMS. So for that we have to visit settings. We have to always connect these pages with these courses and membership catalog. So we have to visit courses. Then in this course catalog option, we have to select our course page. Then we have to click on save changes. Same for the membership. We have to visit memberships. Then on this membership page option, we have to select our membership page, then save changes. Otherwise, it will not work. So now if I refresh it and if I visit courses, now I will be able to see all of the courses I have on my website. So here is all of the courses of mine, and this course is looking like this on SkyPilot. So now the time for modifying this menu. So if we click on edit site, so we can now modify the menu with SkyPilot. So for that, we have to visit template parts, then header because we are working with the menu. So now we have to click on this pen icon. And here is our menu. We have all of the pages on our website, and this is a navigation block. So now I can, if I click on edit, I will be able to edit these pages. So I want to move this courses tab. So I'm just clicking on this move right. So see, it's really easy to move the pages, and I don't want the sample page. So we have to click on this 3 dot and remove the sample page. And with this add block option, we can add many things like site logo and other things. So also, we can remove this navigation. So that, see, I don't have any navigation now. I also will remove this button. So I don't have anything right now. And if I save now, I'm just showing you the example. So now if I visit my website and refresh it, I don't have any menu. So now we will create the menu again. It's really simple. We have to just click on this plus icon. Then we have to search for navigation. Here is the navigation block. So navigation block basically will show all of the pages you have. Then you can just modify your menu as per your requirements. So I only have these 3 pages, and I will remove this add link one. So you can just add the menu with the navigation block. Also, I will add this home bold, home courses text bold. So we can just bold these. Also, we can customize the color. So now if I want to change the color, we have to click on this circle icon. Now we have to click on colors. Then we have palette for colors. We have to click on palettes. Now the black one is for the default menu and headings. So if I change it to red, see, it's now red, but I want a blue color. So if I choose the blue color, I think this one is great. So now if I click on save and visit my website and refresh it, so now the menu and heading color is blue. So you can just change the colors on your website as per your brand color. So you can select any color. We have the palette option. You can change the color easily. So I just want to show you the example. So I'm just moving this to black, and we have another option to edit the menu. So for that, we have to click on our navigation option. Then we have to click on this setting option, and now we will be able to edit the menu from the sidebar. We can modify the position of the pages. Then we can add many things with this add block option. Here also we have the setting option, we have layout, then we have orientation. See, we have two orientation option. We have display option, overlay menu option. We have many options on the sidebar. Also, we can modify the color as well. We have text, background color, we have size and other things. So you can choose the previous one. Also, you can choose this one. So now if I refresh it, my website color is black. So I hope if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.